the topic we taken as a coordination compounds. In this, we are take a geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. What is a geometrical isomerism? So geometrical isomerism is nothing but uh, isomerism due to the change in the geometry of the molecule. It is nothing but the change in the geometry of the molecule is known as geometrical isomerism. We can say it is of we can take it in the two types. One is square planar, one is octahedral. So first of all we take a square planar. So first of all you have to remember it. Whenever we say about the geometrical isomerism, it is of two type. In this cis having a 90 and trans we take it as 180. Okay, now remember it. First of all we take it square planar. Now whenever we take a square planar compound, so you have to remember it. In square planar compounds containing a 4 ligands, this is a central metal atom, M is the central metal atom, A, B, C and D are the ligands. A, B, C, D are the monodentate ligands. Okay, now in this square planar they are on the same plane. Please understand, they are on the same plane. Cis is 90-degree angle. Now you are able to see that AB, BC, CD, DA, AB, BC, CD, DA. They are on 90-degree angle. So total cis positions are 4, we can say in this. And if you are able to see that trans is 180, so AC. So this is AC and BD. We can say AC and BD. This is we can say you are able to see that this is BD. So this is also 180 degree. So we can say trans is of 2 AC and BD. Now we take a square planar, all the parts in which square planar we can say geometrical isomerism show. This is the compound of square planar. Now we take some parts of square planar in which we can say geometrical isomerism will show. But remember one point, in square planar compounds we can say that optical isomerism is never be shown because they are in the same plane. So they are having a POS, plane of symmetry. Okay, now understand, if I am writing small a, small b, small c, small d, so they are a monodentate ligands. Okay, if I am writing a, they are a bidentate ligands but symmetrical ends. Okay, they are a symmetrical compounds, they cut into a 2 equal half, means like NH2 CH2 whole twice NH2. We can write NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2. So in this we can cut it into a, we can say 2 equal half. So A means symmetrical bidentate ligand and AB means bidentate ligand but unsymmetrical ends. Like this side is NH2 lone pair donor. Okay, and this side is O negative. So we can say this is a bidentate ligand but unsymmetrical ends. Okay, now we take it one by one. MA4, if M means central atom and A means is monodentate ligands, but central atom is attached with all ligands are same. So this is of only, this will show only one type of isomer. Now MA3B, 3 monodentate ligands same, one is different. So like we can say F is any metal atom. Okay, and A is monodentate ligands, like we can say chlorine. There is a 3 chlorine and we can say 1 fluorine, like this. Okay, so 3 ligands are same and 1 ligand are different, so it will also show one type of geometrical isomer only. Okay, now if you are able to see that MA2B2, MA2B2, in MA2B2 we can say it will show 2 types of isomer. We can say 2 types of geometrical isomer. In this we can say they are having a cis and trans, like how AA at 90-degree angle and we can say AA at 180-degree angle. So one side they are on the 90-degree angle, one side at the 180-degree angle. So we can say this will show cis and trans isomer, or we can say geometrical isomer. Okay, now in next question you are able to see that MA2BC, Ma2BC means central atom is M, metal atom. A2 means two ligands are same and two ligands are different. Total are 3 ligands, but there is a one ligand is twice a time, like AA at 90-degree angle. In this we can say, and AA at 180-degree angle. So they will also show cis and trans. So in this we can say Ma2BC, they will show two types of geometrical isomer. Now next one is MABCD. All monodentate ligands are different. All monodentate ligands are different. So in this we can take one by one opposite. Okay, like if you take it as MABCD, okay, all atoms will be there, all ligands. Okay, ABCD are the ligands, donor atoms. So now AB is opposite, now AC is opposite, now AD is opposite. So I will take each of the following with the opposite. Okay, so you are able to see that directly. AB is 180-degree angle, AC is 180-degree angle, and AD is 180-degree angle. Now if you change if you drop the any one atom except A, C, B, D, C, B, D, opposite to the A ligand, so they will show same geometry. So you are able to see that MABCD complex only will show three types of geometrical isomer. Now next one we go with MA2. AA2. Okay, AA whole twice means this is a bidentate ligand of same type. So you can put anywhere, they will show the same geometry, like AA. So they will same. So it will only show one type of isomer. Okay, it will show only one type of isomer. Now the seventh one is, we can say MAA2. AA means bidentate ligand. This is the one ligand, but there is a two sides of donor sides. So in this we can say this will also show one type of donor side, because there is a monodentate ligands are same. So you can interchange it, this position. You can drop this one on this side and you can drop this one on this side. They will they will show the same geometry, because in the opposite A will be there, in the opposite A will be there. So they are same. So it will only show one type of geometry, one type of geometrical isomer. So we can say they are having a one geometrical isomer. This is also having a one geometrical isomer. Now if you are able to see the next one, MAAAB. Now this one is important. Now MAAAB. Now if you are able to see that A is opposite with A and A is opposite with B. So you are able to see that directly. Either you can interchange this position. If you are able to see that, if we interchange this position A and B, but this side, this is a same ligand, so I will change the position of AB. So you are able to see that this is A, this is B. So now you are able to see that directly. This A is opposite with A, this B is opposite with A, and this B is also opposite with A. So we can say directly MAAAB will show only one type of geometrical isomer. Is it clear to all of you? Not? I hope guys this is very clear to you. Now if you are able to see that MAB whole twice. Now this is a unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. AB means unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. I am not dropping the ligands. Okay, so that's but if any bidentate ligand comes out, that is a unsymmetrical ends. So and there is a square planar geometry will show. Okay, so you can say there is having a two types of geometrical isomer. Now MAA opposite, now MAB opposite. You can say, or you can say MAA 180 degree, or you can say MAB is AA is 90 degree angle. So they are different, or you are able to see that in this B is opposite B, but in this B is opposite A. So they are different. So they will show cis and trans. So we can say MAB unsymmetrical bidentate ligand will show two types of geometrical isomer. Now next one we can say MABA2. Now A is a small a is a monodentate ligand, and this is a twice. Now this is a MAB. Okay, so you are able to see that this is a, this is a. Either you interchange this position A, so you will form MABA. Now again we can say this A is opposite to B and this A is opposite to A also. So we can say directly one thing, we have to understand this one. This will show only one type of geometrical isomer. Okay, I hope guys this is very clear to you. Now you are able to see that MABAB. AB is a bidentate ligand capital and small ab is a monodentate ligands. Okay, so total metal atom is having a 3 ligands. AB is a bidentate ligand which is having a 2 donor side, and A is a monodentate ligand and B is also be a monodentate ligand. So one time in this B is opposite with B and one time A is opposite with B. So we interchange this, or we can say AB, or we can say this AB is a 90-degree angle, and we can say this A and B is 180-degree angle. So it will show two types of, we can say, geometrical isomer, cis and trans. So we can say there is a total isomer is 2. Okay, geometrical isomer. Now if you are able to see that MABCD, there is a 2 bidentate ligands which is a unsymmetrical ends. MABCD, there is a 2 bidentate ligands which is a unsymmetrical ends. So it will show total geometrical isomer are 2. It will never show optical. Please understand my point, because there is having a plane of, we can say, plane of symmetry. Now you are able to see that A, B, C, D. Now A, D opposite. Now in this you are able to see that A, C opposite. A is never be opposite with B, because sir, they are a bidentate ligand. So A is attached with in the ligands. Whenever I will make a ligand, so A and B are in the same ligand, so they are never be opposite. Okay, so we can say AC is 90 and AC is 180. So total geometrical isomer are 2. Okay, like sir, what is a POS, plane of symmetry? So we can say where we cut into a 2 equal half. So if I am say this is a planar, this is a plane, so we can cut into a same plane, like we can say slice cut. We can say slice cut. Okay, so this is a plane of symmetry, so it will never show optical. So guys, this is a note, important note. Square planar does not show optical. Please understand, square planar does not show optical. And the one important point is that square planar complex has a plane of symmetry, that is we can say POS. So guys, I hope this is very clear to you, and if you like it, then subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.